test segment, we want to like hot swap the daughter boards to test all the daughter boards. But for the actual thing, you put this in first before putting it in here. Yeah. So all of our harnesses, wiring on the car is custom made. We make everything in-house, so we just take a bunch of TXL wire that's rated for automotive applications, and then we twist them if needed, and then heat shrink everything ourselves, crimp or solder depending on what the connector is. We have a lot of safety concerns. We have to make sure everything's good, wear HV safety equipment before we start working on any of this. And also we don't want to just take our designs, plug them into the battery at 600 volts and hope everything works.
The mechanical engineers of the accumulator team do all of the packaging and designing and engineering from the ground up for our battery pack. Do all the design work from creating all of the structural enclosures of all of these segments to make sure that it's all safe. In this part of the segment, there's these kind of rails, they're called structural bars. So Fictiv really helped us kind of figure out how to save cost here, because we needed to use a very specific material that was both really strong and durable, but also completely thermally insulated and electrically insulated.
The problem with this is that doesn't reach. You can fluff the wires.
Bring it a bit closer. Bring the desk a bit closer.
Yeah, take this one. Take this one. All right, so right now we have DCU as a termination node connected to dash, connected to PCU. PCU is connected to a power supply to simulate braking and accelerating.
To everyone else, it just looks like a mess of wires, but to them, it's the car running full.
Powered by that power supply at 24 volts with 0.8 amperage.
So our computer science team puts together a full test bench for the car and verified that the motor can spin once the car has passed all the health checks that they put in place. In parallel, we're building the battery, making sure that all of the cells of the battery are scanned properly, and we can measure voltages everywhere across the battery and the temperatures of the cells.
They also helped us machine that polycarbonate, so we have really good tolerances to make sure that it fits with our off-the-shelf parts, but it's also not too tight where it's too expensive. So thank you Fictiv for our structural parts.
We're 38 days out of comp, 2 days away from finals. We just got our accumulator assembled. We're here for our first testing day. We have people working tirelessly, getting the car ready. So yeah.
Yeah, all we have to do is jack the accumulator up into the car. We're currently filling the cooling loop, which helps cool our motor and inverter. And then we got to torque the wheels on, and then we should be good to go.
Yeah. First time driving. Let's go.